Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by ensuring Gboard is active on your phone and Cloud Sync enabled so settings travel. Next, open Chrome on your laptop and load the Gboard web or pairing interface. This creates a bridge. Scan the QR code with your phone or accept the shared link. This establishes a secure session. Once paired, make sure your laptop input method recognizes the Gboard connection. This will let you type using phone features while leveraging your laptop keyboard or virtual input. Now you configure how Gboard behaves on the laptop. You must set Gboard as the active input source in your operating system or Chrome extension so keystrokes route correctly. Then enable clipboard sync, emoji panel, glide typing, and multilingual options inside the Gboard app. These features make laptop typing faster and consistent with your phone. Map any desired shortcuts or modifier behavior, then test typing, autocorrect, and gesture input to confirm latency and accuracy. Finish by fine-tuning layout, theme, and privacy settings so Gboard matches your workflow and looks familiar. Make sure clipboard sharing and permissions are enabled. Those allow seamless copy-paste between devices. If you experience input lag or disconnects, restart both devices and check Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB tethering. Network issues are the most common culprit. If problems persist, repair using the QR code or sign out and back into Google on both devices, and clear the Gboard app cache to force a clean sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.